Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're driving north on US Highway 11 through unincorporated Smith County, Virginia. Here, US 11 is a quiet two-lane road surrounded by a variety of homes including single-family houses on spacious plots, mobile homes, and open fields growing hay. Smith County was formed in 1832 from parts of Washington and Wythe counties. It got its name from Alexander Smith, a general in the War of 1812 who later served in the state Senate, House of Delegates, and as a representative in the United States Congress. The county had a population of 29,800 as of the 2020 census. We enter Wythe County, which, like Smith County, has the letter Y in it. George Wythe, the first Virginian to sign the Declaration of Independence, lent his name to the county. Before Wythe County came into existence, Austinville, in what's now Wythe County, served as the seat of Fincastle County, an old Virginia county that stretched from Roanoke, Virginia to the Mississippi River, about half the size of Texas. The community of Austinville in Wythe County was established by Stephen and Moses Austin, father of Stephen F. Austin, renowned as the father of Texas. During the 1790s, the Austins managed the lead and zinc mines in the area, supplying lead across the growing nation and producing lead shot. The Jackson Ferry Shot Tower near Foster's Falls remains as a symbol of Wythe County's heritage. Lead was transported up the tower using pulleys and oxen, then melted and poured through a sieve at the top, forming round droplets during the 150-foot descent, collected in water below. The lead mines ceased operations in 1982 due to new EPA regulations in a dwindling market. Wythe County had a population of 28,290 as of the 2020 census. We passed through the town of Rural Retreat, which had a population of 1,546 as of the 2020 census. The town was the home of Dr. Charles T. Pepper, a Civil War-era Confederate surgeon who is often cited as the namesake of the Dr. Pepper soft drink. We enter the town of Wytheville, county seat of Wythe County. In May 1790, Charles Zimmerman donated 85 acres, John Davis donated 10 acres, and Robert Williams donated 5 acres to establish a town and county seat. Robert Adams completed a town survey in November of that year, dividing the area into half-acre lots. The town did not have an official name yet, but was generally known as Wythe Courthouse. 2 years later, in October 1792, the town was officially named Evansham for prominent local citizen Jesse Evans. After a disastrous fire in March 1839, the town was renamed Wytheville. At that time, it was home to about 500 residents. Today, Wytheville has a population of 8,265. At the intersection ahead, US 11 turns left and joins US 21 in a short concurrency. However, there's no signage indicating the left turn leading up to the intersection, so I ended up in the wrong lane at the light. And being that it was imperative that I not make the wrong turn for the purposes of continuity and filming, I committed an egregious traffic violation by turning left from the right lane. There was nobody else waiting to turn left, but the car behind me must have been wondering what these idiot foreigners with the Louisiana plates were trying to do. We're now driving down Wytheville's historic Main Street, with stately mansions turned bed and breakfast or museum, historic churches, and then the thriving downtown retail area. Wytheville has an uncommon street naming scheme throughout its downtown area. As we travel down Main Street, to the right, streets are prefixed with south and north is to the left, which is pretty standard. But as we approach the center of town, the street numbers count down by even numbers only, 10th, 8th, 6th, etc. At the center of town where West Main becomes East Main, the cross street is Tazewell to the left and Church Street to the right. Then the cross streets begin to count up by odd numbers, 1st, 3rd, 5th, etc. I've never seen this in any other town, although it's possible that it's been done in other places. Here, East Main curves nearly 90 degrees to the right, breaking from the downtown street grid, and a sign on the right inexplicably marks this as US 52 South. This could be remedied by putting a banner over the US 52 shield saying to rather than south, as we'll be reaching an intersection with US 52 a mile and a half ahead, and at that point you can take it either north or south. Looking back on historical maps, this roadway did once carry US 52, although that sign hasn't been correct since the late 1970s. Then we see a sign indicating a left turn onto US 365, except there's no such highway. US 365 would be an auxiliary route of US 65, which runs from Louisiana to Minnesota. If there was a US 365, it wouldn't be here. The next sign is correct, showing a Virginia primary highway shield. Here we see another rare overlap of US 11 with an interstate. We'll be joining I-81 North, I-77 South, into US 52 South for several miles in a double wrong-way concurrency. We'll wrap up today's video at US 11's Virginia Mile 72. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos, as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.